These boxes. Oh, nice.
Ooh,
couple.
Comes in a
Nobody knows what's in them.
Let's see what we got here.
All right. Look at the back. Beautiful back. Strong back. Car. Oh, Carlass. Look at that. Beautiful car.
I think that one right there is gonna get a 9.5.
I'm gonna give it a 9.
Let's see. 9.5.
Wow.
The name up here.
Not quite.
There you go, guys. Take a nice close look at that name. It's Carlass.
With the trainer, full art trainer for shiny face, strong back. Can you tell by the back how good the card is?
Yeah, back's really blue, really white.
Do you know what to look for? The border.
Look for the squiggly, right?
You gotta see the border if it's the same all the way around.
See if it's kind of off to the right.
You want to see if the border's the same all the way around, and you gotta look for any bleeding in the whiting.
Let's see what we got here.
Ooh,
what's
here.
That? Here?
Let's see what we got.
Let's see.
9.
Ooh, it's a 9. It got a mint. Why did it only get a mint? What happened there? Was it scratched a little bit?
It's a double the edges in the centering, so it's not quite.
Let's get it up here.
Oh well, it's not so shabby. I mean,
it's not bad. At least it's rated.
Here we go. We got the famous Charizard.
We got the Charizard.
Remember when we pulled this in the one video? We got that evolution pull.
I'm gonna say that one's gonna get an 8.5.
I think a 9.
8.5.
9. Wow. There
Mike
we go.
was right. You gotta do it right here. Mike was right. A 9.
That's a true 9. Oh, it had an 8.5 on it.
Yeah.
The surface.
Surface, yeah, from the back probably.
Okay, a little off center.
Look at the sun's bringing the light right on it. Perfect. We got the sun coming down. Perfect timing.
Oh, it's the Charizard.
It's the Charizard.
The biggest card.
We got the biggest. If we get this one, we gotta get this one a 10.5.
Okay, guys,
11. I'm gonna give it a 9.5. 9.5. Final answer.
9.5. Yes. Golden. Strong Charizard. Look at that. Nice.
Yeah.
That's the one we wanted. That's
nice
the money
and
card.
shiny Charizard.
All right.
Oh, a Skyla.
That's the top card. That's
Sky.
number 2.
Let's see what we got here. Let's see.
Oh,
9. Yes.
Wow. That's
Hopefully
awesome.
They all stay 9 because if they're
good.
Any above,
that is good.
The best. Anything 9 and above is good. So.
Awesome. We're gonna play Skyla with the. Oh, Zardy's not gonna allow it.
Zard's like, this is me. ASMR.
Cut my Charizard in half.
ASMR.
Okay, so get the Rush.
We got the Usain Bolt VMAX.
The Rushavu VMAX. That one's a single strike, guys. So that's Battle Styles right there, if you guys are wondering.
Yeah, I'm gonna see. Yeah, I'm gonna give that a 9.5. Yeah, it's hard to get a 10. Eh?
Oh, it's a 9.
Where do they give the flaws? I don't really see many flaws.
Edges in the centering.
I don't really see many flaws on this one. Quite honestly, like this one looks almost perfect.
Brutal.
They really grade them harshly.
They're harsher than some of the other companies. Oh, we got his brother.
Oh, nice. We got
that was a rapid strike.
We got Sonic the Hedgehog, and I'm gonna say that one.
That's a 9.
Let's be generous and give it a 10.
Say a 9.
Let's give it a 10.
Oh, 9.5. Kind of wish his brother was 9.5. Man,
they don't want to give us a 10. They just do not want to give us a 10. Oh yeah, the Ultra Ball.
That's one
of the money shots.
161 of 149, and this is Sun and Moon. So this is it's a good card, guys.
Yeah, let's see. I would give that one a 9.5.
I'm gonna say a 9.
9?
9 on the dot.
That was right.
Ooh.
Got 9. Only a 9. They gotta be generous once in a while and give us a 10. Come on, man.
110. That's all I'm asking for. Alternate Art Venusaur.
Isn't that the one you got in the dollar store pack? Is that
No, that's when we went to Walmart and waited in line.
This one, let me see the corners. The corners look alright.
Another 9.
Yeah, I'm gonna give that one a 9 or a 9.5.
9! Oh,
just because it looks kind of curved a bit.
I was hoping for a 10 on that guy. Sell that one. Because I got I'll show the other ones later, but I got, hey, Internus VMAX. Now that's a nice gold
That's
card.
a nice one too.
9.
I don't know where they get these letters from. Do they put them in like a laser machine or something? Because I don't understand how they just...
all 9s too.
Like, do they have scientists for Pokemon cards? Because they're giving them harsh ratings. Like, these ones look like they should be... Oh, I see why.
Ooh, we got a Luna.
Oh, nice Luna. That one actually goes for some money.
That one right there is the money.
Lana. No, it's Lana. Lana Rhodes.
Nice.
There we go. Maybe another 9. I would say another 9. Anything.
9.5. Nice.
We need 110.
I know, we didn't even get a single 10.
We need at least none of them are under 9. All the cards right here are all done. We got them all graded. Nothing under a 9. Where'd you get these off eBay?
Yep.
Nice.
3 different sellers.
I got these ones off eBay. These are nice. Wow.
These are from the Evolution set.
9.5 Charizard.
There.
Nice.
Venusaur. Okay. Nice. Let's see a little bit.
There you go. Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's it. That's what we got. No 10s. No 10s is kind of a bugger.
At least nothing was under 9, so that's always a win.
Well, we got our
but we got the Charizard. At least the Charizard was a 9.5, so that's gonna go for something at least.
Awesome.
Mike's looking to do a little bit of a reselling here, so.
Nice. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe because, you know, I need you guys. Otherwise we can't
Thumbs up.
Gotta keep making videos.
Comment down below what your favorite card is in this entire set that Mike got graded.
Alright guys, take care. Peace.